kitchen. Today's recipe will be on Afghan breakfast. We Afghans like our breakfast heavy. Of course not every day, but for sure on the weekends, or especially when family and friends are over. I'll be dividing this breakfast into three. So we will have eggs and my own personal recipe on some potatoes and some chicken sausage. So let me take you to the ingredients. So for the breakfast here, of course we need some eggs. I also have some halal chicken sausage here, and onions, tomato, potato, green onions. I have some chopped garlic and green chilies. Green chilies are optional if you don't like spicy. I have tomato paste. This is also optional if you don't want to use it. This is going to be divided between the eggs and the potato. I also have some spices to use for my potatoes here. I have turmeric powder, crushed chili, cumin seed, coriander, garam masala, and salt. So we'll go to the cooking. So first we're going to go ahead with the potatoes, and I have my heat on medium. So go ahead with some oil. And then you're going to go ahead with the onions. So I'm going to divide this between the potatoes and the egg. The onions, I've been stirring it for about a minute here. Now you're going to go ahead with a little bit of cumin seeds. And then you're going to go ahead with the garlic. So garlic is going to be divided between the eggs and the potato as well. Now we're going to go ahead with the potatoes. Give it a good mix. Now it's time to add the dry spices. I'm going to go ahead with a little bit of salt here, some chili flake, turmeric, some garam masala, and coriander powder. Your spices are optional. If you don't want, you can just use salt and turmeric. Mix it. So after mixing it well here, we're going to let this cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. You can cover this if you like, but make sure you stir it and check it every 2 minutes. And your heat should be on medium, and there's no need of water. If you don't have a non-stick, then you can put about 2 tablespoons of water in this, but make sure the lid is covered. We have the potatoes ready now. It cooked about 12 minutes or so it took, and I also had the lid on. So this is ready to be served. On the other small pan, if you have, you're going to go ahead with a little bit of oil. Just enough so you can fry the halal chicken hot dogs, or excuse me, sausage you can call it. So you're going to go ahead, let this get good fried, and I'll show you how. So I've been stirring this the whole time because they pop, so you want to have it stirred. You don't want to cover the top, and you can see that it's nice and crispy here. This is when you know it's ready and you can turn off your stove. Now is the time that we go ahead and make the eggs. So you'll need oil again for this. And you're going to go ahead fry the onions in this. The onion's been frying for about 1.5 minutes. You don't want to cook this too much because it's going to get burned. So go ahead with the garlic and chili pepper. It has been 1 minute now with the garlic and green chilies that I have been stirring it. Now you can go ahead, add the green onions. You can add more green onions if you wish, because this melts very fast. So if you need more, go ahead. As you can see how fast the green onions melt. So if your family likes more oil to have their eggs oily, you can go ahead and add more oil. If not, that's good enough. So you can go ahead and add the tomatoes here. You can add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. This is optional. If you don't like it, you don't have to. So this is how it's going to look like, and then you can go ahead with the eggs. You can throw them one by one. just like this. So our breakfast morning eggs are ready now, almost. This is how it looks like. You can let this cook for about a minute or two more and it's ready to be served. Our Afghan breakfast is ready. The eggs, the chicken sausage and the potatoes, you can serve it with the salt and pepper. And your favorite morning drink, you can serve it with coffee, juice. I like my chai tea. So the breakfast is being ready to be served. And you can go ahead, serve this with a toast bread, your Afghan bread, pita, whatever bread you like to. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Do try it, it's delicious. And stay tuned for many more. Please do subscribe. Thank you.